Meet the Mandarin duck, the most colorful duck on Earth. This isn't CGI. This is real life. Native to East Asia, these ducks are like living rainbows. Their feathers? A psychedelic mix of orange, blue, and gold. Scientists call them ex galericolata, but we call them nature's artwork. Males turn into walking kaleidoscopes. During mating season, they nest in trees. Yes, ducks that live in trees. Symbol of love in Asia, because even ducks know romance. Psst, want to hear their secret language? Sounds like a tiny dinosaur, right? Sadly, habitat loss threatens these beauties. But guess what? They're not endangered yet. Let's keep it that way.